Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here with a Ezsithyn kitten hanging out with me. She does not like to be held like that, but she was hanging out on my lap for a while. She says goodbye now. Anyways, so welcome to my Paletteful Packs prompt video. So if you saw the unboxing video, you would remember that I got Posca pens, and since that unboxing I have been using them and I really like them. I actually picked up a set of pastel Posca pens. They're kind of scattered everywhere, but because I really like them. And in the Paletteful Packs box, I got a pink, a blue, a black, and another black and white. And I was like, why did they have to send me 2 blacks? I was like, that's not cool. So I decided to cheat a little bit, and I walked myself up to the art store. It was a nice day, even though the art store is like a 40-minute walk. It's cool. And I picked up a yellow because the blue and pink that I got in the Paletteful Packs box really made me think of Labyrinth, Sia, and Diplo, LSD. They're a super group composed of, 3 musical artists who had already made it big on their own, and they came out with their album like a couple weeks ago, and I've just been obsessed with them. They released some of their songs actually last year, I believe, and yeah, they're amazing. Sia is wonderful. I've always loved Sia, and I didn't know about Labyrinth and Diplo before, but now I like them a lot too. But since Sia is my favorite, I decided to draw her little character from their little LSD album art and music video art and stuff, but I changed it up a little bit. I made her shirt a bunch of different colors instead of just blue, but everything else I kept the same as their standard colors. And I did kind of draw it in the style of their album art, but then in order to follow the prompt word a little better, geometric, I decided to kind of make it mosaic-y and make a bunch of angles and squares and triangles and stuff inside, and so it would give it a cool graphic effect or something. I don't know, because the Posca pens are pretty cool for that. And I really like how it came out, since I had the tiny little black one. I used that to outline everything, and I went ahead and used the brush to, even though it's white, to color in Sia's face. And I actually was gonna do the face in the angle as well, with all the geometric shapes in it, but I decided that I liked the look of it better without. So yeah, this was a lot of fun to do. I've been wanting to make LSD fan art, and I want to make more, so I have some ideas floating around in my head, especially based on certain songs that they have. But if you haven't listened to them, I really recommend. I think their music is really good and has some really meaningful lyrics. And yeah, so this was just very fun to draw. I love the Posca pens. I'm really glad that Paletteful Packs sent me Posca pens, because I now love Posca pens. I really do. I've been, especially the pastel ones that I bought, and I do like the 3M size better, which I think is I don't know, I think they call it the fine, and then the, I don't see the smaller black that I got, but I think that one's 1M or something. I don't want to say that wrong. Here it is. Yes, 1M is the very tiny one, and then I got a really big, the pink one I got is really giant, and also I got a giant black one that I didn't use here since I switched with the yellow, and this one is 5M, and I wasn't as crazy about this size. 3M is the size for me, and that's what I got all the pastels in. So after watching a few different videos of the Paletteful Packs prompt, I saw a few different artists do this sort of melty look with water in the Poscas. Art Adventure did it, and I was like, I want to add that to my piece. But when I did, I hated it. I thought it looks terrible. I kept trying to work with it and make it better, but I just like the yellow was like melting so well with the water, and it was just like taking out everything else, which is weird because I feel like normally yellow gets taken out, but the yellow was like taking over, even though I would just like try to put little dots and stuff. It was just like phew. And I don't even know why I kept trying to go with it. I was just like hoping that it would work, and in the end I actually like stopped recording for a bit because I was like, I'm done, but I was like, it looks so bad. And I was like, no, I can't deal with this. I'm gonna have to go back and fix this. So I used the white paint pen. Obviously, I was like, I have to use this because that's what came in my box, and it actually covered it up pretty well. And I was like, okay, this looks so much better. I don't know what I was thinking. Like, I don't know why I thought that this would be a good idea. Like, it was supposed to be kind of like tie-dye-y. I don't know. It did not work. It did not work. I did not like it. But everybody makes mistakes in art. That's what white Posca pens are for. Nah, but that white paint is very useful for covering up painting mistakes. So yeah, I went over this a few times. I kind of do a little time skip here, and yeah, I really like the finished piece much more. I will say that sometimes this marker was kind of like a little too juicy sometimes, and would like squirt stuff everywhere. I think it was maybe because of the canvas. I don't know if it will do that on like normal paper, but because of like the way that the nib was, it would like skip. And so what happened in my piece is there's like these little like black like things everywhere, but that it is what it is. Like, I don't think it's really that bad, and I really like how the piece turned out in the end. And with the white Posca, like, you can't even really see the mistakes behind. Like, it covered it really well. It's a little like yellowy maybe. I could have probably done it a little better. But yeah, I really like this piece. I really like this music. I really liked this Paletteful Packs box, even though I cheated a little bit with the yellow. I've never done that before, but I just decided to this time because I really wanted to make LSD art. So people get upset about that. Oh well. But thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun making this, and I really like Posca pens now. They're really fun for like doodling and just doing little things, and yeah, so maybe you'll see more Posca pen art in my future. But if you like this video, leave a like, leave a comment so that I can get to know you, because I love to do that. Subscribe if you're new. And I would also like to thank my patrons: Ezsithyn, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. And if anybody else is interested in checking out my Patreon, the link is below. It's pretty cool. And I will see you guys later. Hope you're having a good day. It's pretty nice out today, so I'm having an okay day myself. But bye everyone.